With a channel called AliPic, I am always about saving money. One of the ways you can save a lot of money is to do things yourself. Like, let's say you had to replace an outlet in your home. Do you know that an electrician would charge $100 to $300 just to replace one of these? You can do it yourself, and you might even want to replace some in your home that have USB ports built in. Now that's pretty cool. One of the tools that I use is this Kaiweets circuit locator. It helps me do the job quicker. I'm going to be giving one of these away at the end of the video. In fact, it's right here. So stay tuned for details. The first thing I did was go to Menards to buy a combination outlet and USB charger. A bit of sticker shock at $28 plus tax. Oh well, for you, I'll sacrifice. And I'll think about the $300 I'm saving by doing this myself. Next, identify the outlet you want to replace. This one here in my kitchen is where we end up plugging in a lot of devices. I first test the voltage with this Kaiweets transmitter. Even though the screen is upside down, I can see the green light is on, and then when I unplug it, it still reads the last displayed voltage. Now I'm going to leave that plugged in and go downstairs to the circuit breaker box to locate and turn off the proper breaker. I power on the device and start scanning each breaker. It's going to beep and turn red when it finds the breaker on the circuit that the transmitter is plugged into. To do this, it requires two passes. The first pass is like a learning phase, and you might get some false positive hits. The second pass over each breaker will locate the breaker you need to turn off. I did notice that when you get close to the correct breaker, the unit will beep and slightly or somewhat flash red for a second. When I do find the correct breaker, it stays red and beeps constantly, and the screen bar display is at maximum. Now I reset the transmitter and measure the voltage. No lights and no voltage reading. Now it's safe to replace my outlet. Make sure it matches your cover plate. I have just a few basic tools and some electrical tape. The new outlet has a gold screw for the hot wire and a silver for the neutral. On my existing outlet, you can see where the red wire is connected to the gold screw. I'll need to match that up with the new outlet. The white wire is the neutral, connected to the silver screw. After I remove the two wires, I like to cut off and restrip the end just to get a fresh connection. The new outlet requires a 1/2 inch of straight exposed wire. I slip it in behind the metal plate and tighten it securely. My old outlet doesn't use a green for ground, and my new outlet also has a screw that's green. I'm not going to connect a wire to that since the screws on the outlet will connect to the box and that will be my ground. A little electrical tape and then everything goes back together. Now I'll go flip on the breaker. Here you can see the green light turns on and I can read the voltage. Now it's ready for use. You see how easy that was? Almost anybody can do it. Now, if you want a chance to win this Kaiweets circuit locator for yourself, let me know in the comments that you're interested and tell me what you're going to use it for. I'll put your name in a hat, and in 48 hours, I'll have a drawing. I'm not sure if you'll get it by Christmas, but it's a possibility. I'm Tom, this is AliPic, and that's today's quick tip.